Good day everyone, my name is Jonathan Dayo Kawili from BSBA Marketing Management first year. Today we're about to discuss the Cedula Personal Tax, also known as Full Tax. The Cedula Personal Tax was introduced during the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines as a form of identification and personal tax for all adults. It served as a proof of tax payment and was required for legal or official transactions. However, it becomes a symbol of oppression, especially for poor Filipinos who struggle to pay it. Did you know that the biggest event of Cedula is the Cry of Pugadlawin, led by Andres Bonifacio on August 23, 1896, was the event where Katipuneros toured their cedulas to symbolize the revolt against Spanish colonial rule. Igniting the Philippine Revolution, this pivotal event now set in present-day Bahay Turu, Quezon City, marked the Katipunan's open defiance and official start of the armed struggle of the Philippine independence. Filipinos first began paying taxes in ancient times. This was done for the obvious reason of protecting them from the Datu. Every member of the village, with the exceptions of the chieftain's household, is obligated to pay their shares of taxes known as buwis, which during this time was already punished by non-payment. The allocations of the evolution of the Philippine taxations by colonizers, the arrival of the Spaniards, and shared in modern concept of taxations. The native Filipino aged between 16 to 60 years old were completed to pay tribute to the King of Spain through the colonial government worth 8 reales or 1 peso per year. Other forms of payment comes in gold, chicken, textile, kofton, rice, and forced labor or service waipolo. In 1884, tribute was abolished and was replaced by the cedula, a certificate identifying the taxpayers. Why taxation so important to the nation? Throughout history, states and their equivalents have employed tax revenue for a variety of purposes: expenditures on war, maintaining public order and law enforcement, safeguarding property, public works, economic infrastructure, social engineering, subsidies, and government operations are a few examples of these. Taxes are another way that government pay for public service and welfare programs. Examples of these programs include public transportation, healthcare, pension for the old unemployed, and education. And also, common public utilities are include waste management, water, and energy systems. Here's your taxes money goes. The positive and negative impacts of the Cedula Personal Tax. Here are some positive impacts of Cedula Personal Tax. One is a source of government revenue. The cedula serves as a form of taxations that help fund local and national government operations during the Spanish and early American period. Two is system of identification, encourage record keeping, civic and legal usefulness. While the negative impacts of cedula, personal tax, is a burden of poor. The cedula tax was mandatory for all the adults, regardless of income, which made it unfair for poor Filipino who struggled to pay the tax. Failure to pay could result in penalties or imprisonment. Second is the symbol of colonial oppressions. Many Filipinos view the cedula as a symbol of Spanish control, inequality, discriminations and abuse, limited economic benefits.